Hi, I'm happy to see you on our channel, Little Glow Up. You don't know what to do with your life? After finding out that you have an oval face shape, then I will help you not to be depressed like after watching Nana. In this video, you will see a complete guide for an oval face shape. So let's start with how to understand that you have an oval face. An oval face shape is a combination of square and round face. Typically, the forehead width is smaller than the cheekbone width, and face is longer than it is wide. The jawline and chin are more rounded via the distinguished angular lines of a square face. Here is an example of celebrities with an oval face shape. Let's start with haircuts and hairstyles. Hairstyles like layered hair, hush cut, butterfly cut, pixie cut, long waves, blunt bob, sleek hair, and medium-length hair can suit you. Next are bangs. Bangs like wispy bangs, curtain fringe bangs, and side swap bangs might be perfect for you. Yeah, it's unexpected, but there are still some hairstyles that you should avoid. It's full bangs and on-length hair. Move on to makeup. I recommend you to do soft arched and straight eyebrows, but too thick, thin, and angled eyebrows are not recommended. Oval faces are balanced, so blush placement depends on the effect you want. Blush on the apples of your cheeks adds a youthful look, while on the cheekbones it creates a more sculpted effect. Along your hairline to bring this down and give the illusion of a smaller forehead. Below your cheekbones, starting at your ears and ending in the middle of the cheeks. For an oval face, apply concealer to the center of the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, and on the cheekbones to highlight and enhance this. Glasses like round frame, rectangular, cat eye glasses, meow meow, aviator, and wayfarer could be a great match for oval face, but wide frames and narrow frames are not the best choice. Earrings like studs, teardrop, hoops, and large button are the best, but too long or too big aren't recommended. When choosing necklines to complement an oval face shape, consider styles that it balance. I hope I didn't ruin your life with this video, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this video. See you next time, my Huabuba!